Alright, so we just took a break even today. What's going on, guys? Editor Nuno here. I just noticed there's a little bit of an issue with the audio. I had to have my fan turned on all week because it was really hot. Again, really sorry for this, and I'll see you in the vlog. This is the day before CPI. We swept London session highs. There was also Asian session highs, not quite the highs, but slight below at the close of those candles. And so that's basically my reasoning for exiting the trade. So not a bad start to the week. A break even is a break even, followed the plan. If I just held it, I would still be in the trade. But then it's like I entered the trade expecting a certain move, didn't get the certain move while it was still bullish. I was like, yeah, volatility is kind of dying down after we swept that. So I'm just gonna, make my invalidation a little bit early and take the trade at the close of the 1 minute. So this is essentially the trade, and you can see like I exited here because at this point, look, we sweep all of these highs. I wanted like a good move. If we went all the way down here, flipped bullish, and then went back up, I wanted to see a nice move up and not this, because if it was this, then it just slowly starts becoming low probability. Like this is where I would probably be bullish now and look for a second trade. The thing is, like, I'm not willing to just take it because of those reasons we swept. There's CPI tomorrow and the volatility just died down. So that's gonna be it for today. We're gonna go to the gym in a little bit.
I just need money and vibes, don't need none of that toxic shit. My social battery gone, I gotta stay out the mix. I'm tryna be so rich, I put that out in lit. Call you and say where you at, already know what time.
Alright guys, I took a loss today, still stand by this loss. I would have taken this trade every day of the week. Looks horrible now, because you see the drop, but my entry was here at the fair value gap, right? My stop was here. My TP was up here for a 1.8, right? And you see this and it's like, oh, there's this extreme, blah, blah, blah. We reacted from it. Actually, look, this looked really bullish at the time. If I showed you this, you would look at this and be like, oh my God, what an amazing trade. Same thing. Okay, this is the candle close, but the 15-minute was trading above here. And literally like 1 minute before the 15-minute closed, right above here, making a structure break and this the order block. 1 minute before that happened, it just dropped, right? So you can see, let me play it out. Boom, you can see it here. 1 minute before the close, right here, 44, this is the opening. Boom, just dropped. The reason for that sudden drop was Trump said he was gonna sue Powell, or was considering suing Powell. So market just reacted like that. I said, okay, it's just range bound for today. I'm done, don't want to trade anymore. So that's it for Tuesday. Still debating if I should trade Thursday or not, but I'll let you guys know once the day comes. Yo, so we took a loss today. Again, just like yesterday, stand by this loss. I really don't care about the loss itself. Also, I said I would update you guys if I was going to trade tomorrow. I'm not. I'm also not going to trade next week. I'm just going to take like full vacation because I haven't had full-on vacations without doing anything in a long time. I think a year and a half, almost 2 years. It's kinda getting caught up to me where I don't feel like recording. I don't feel like going to the gym. I don't feel like doing anything, and I just still force myself. But yeah, trading is fine. I'm executing per my plan now, which is why I don't mind the loss from today or yesterday. This is the trade. Here's the entry. My TP was somewhere down here. Basically what I saw was this is a 5-minute order block, and before the session came I was like, if we touch this and we go very bullish, then I'll end. There's a big wick. That big wick forms this order block. I wanted to actually enter here and the stop would have been like here, but then I was like, okay, I'm just gonna enter here because I was doing the contract calculation. I mean, if I was just to exit, it would have been on this candle close down here. And then at this point, I'm like, I might just let it run to my stop. It was actually quite a bit lower. Yeah, I'm just gonna let it go to my stop. Price went up, reversed, and I was like, okay, ideally we reverse this and close this. If we don't, then there's a good chance the next 5-minute power of free is just gonna go lower. And this is the order block. The move up we had is a 5-minute order block to go lower. Ended up happening, it took the loss. I mean, look at this, literally the top. I'm not into catching reversals. Usually when it's the end of the trade, that's how a loss looks. That's it really. Gem and then edit. Tomorrow I'm not gonna record, so there will be 1 week without a video. That's it really. I'll see you guys after my vacation.